Hello Scorpio and welcome. The title of this video is about last night. So that's what we're going to talk about, is about last night. Some of you may have gone out on a date or had an encounter with someone and you're wondering, okay, what's going on? Is this person going to call me back? Was it worth it? What's going to be the outcome of my date or encounter that I had with this person? So that's what we're going to talk about. That's what we are going to talk about. What's going on with Scorpio and the hot date that they had last night. All right, let me pull some cards, and of course all of my cards are written in upright position. So what's happening? You have the Five of Wands, Strength, and the Emperor. So Scorpio, you have the person that you had the date with or the encounter with is a strong person. This could be someone who's in law enforcement or some sort of authority type occupation, but not necessarily. Just someone who is a very strong person, a very like an authority figure. So they may just kind of be a larger than life person. You also have the Five of Wands, which means a competition. So I think this is someone who has a lot of people who may be interested in them. And again, like I said, being the Emperor, kind of standing out, a lot of people want this person. So there's competition there. And you have Strength, which means that, so it's up to you. You can continue to pursue it. Go ahead and pursue it. Be confident in your pursuit. You have the Strength card, so be strong, be confident, be bold. Move toward this person. It's okay. Don't let the competition get to you, but just know that there is heavy competition here for this person. I think I'm going to pull one more card to see if I can figure out what the outcome is going to be. What will be the outcome of this? Because this person has a lot of people around them. There's a lot of competition, Scorpio. Excuse me, let's drop the cards. There's a lot of competition. So what's going to be the outcome if you decide to pursue this situation? This person who is very sought after. All right. Let's see what the outcome is going to be. Temperance. So it's really going to be patience. It's up to you. You're not going to have any answers right away. I mean, this person might pursue other options. Again, this is someone who's they got a lot of competition. So with some patience, you might have some success with the Temperance card. So that's what's going on. It's just up to you whether you want to be in a situation like that, involved with someone who just has a lot of people surrounding them, a lot of competition. You're gonna have to be patient. You're not gonna, don't call this person nonstop or text them or, kind of put the pressure on. It's just something that you need to decide whether you want to deal with someone like this. So that's what it is about last night, Scorpio, the person who you had the date with. There you go. Have a good day.